Why isn't your Zazzle shop standing out? You've seen other sellers making sales, but your designs just aren't getting the traction you expected. Chances are, you're making some common mistakes that are stopping your shop from reaching its full potential. In this video, I'll break down the biggest mistakes Zazzle sellers make and how you can fix them to start seeing real results. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, let's begin with the first mistake Zazzle sellers make, that is, not making good collections. One of the biggest mistakes Zazzle sellers make is not creating cohesive collections, which can make their store look disorganized and unprofessional. A well-structured collection should feel visually connected, with each product complementing the others. To achieve this, start by using a consistent color palette across all items in a collection, ensuring they blend seamlessly. Incorporate similar design elements, such as matching patterns, graphics, or icons, to create a unified theme. Additionally, maintain font consistency by using the same or complementary typefaces rather than switching between different styles on every product. When your collections look thoughtfully curated, your store appears more polished and appealing to potential buyers, increasing the chances of making sales. Like here in this collection, we can see that the seller did a great job in maintaining the overall appearance of the collection. Like these frames here, similar tone of colors are used for the same product, so that if a customer wants some this color and some of that color, then they are available in the collection. And if we scroll down, we can see that the seller maintained the same fonts and same theme throughout the collection, which makes it look very appealing and presentable. This way, you can check other sellers' collections to improve your own collections. Now let's move forward to the next mistake, that is not adding good products to collections. Another common mistake Zazzle sellers make is not adding a sufficient number of well-designed products to their collections. While you don't need to flood your store with endless designs, having too few items can make a collection look incomplete or empty. Aim for at least 10 or more products per collection to give buyers a well-rounded selection. And just like we discussed in the last point, these products should be cohesive. A thoughtfully curated collection with a good number of high-quality products makes your store look more professional and inviting. Now, we are going to check out two of the collections. First is this one that we checked in our previous point. It has a lot of products, different variations of the same product but still related to one another. You can create such a collection to give your customers more room to choose from, but again, they should be similar in products that are similar in nature. And then these types of collections with less products or designs. You can also have less products to keep it simple, like for a particular event or occasion like a wedding or birthday. This way you can create multiple simplistic collections. Now let's check out our next mistake, that is not doing research. A common mistake Zazzle sellers make is not researching their competitors or keeping up with current trends. Understanding what successful sellers are doing can provide valuable insights into what designs, styles, and products are in demand. Take time to analyze best-selling stores, their pricing strategies, and the keywords they use. At the same time, staying updated on trends is crucial. Consumer preferences change, and what's popular today might not be tomorrow. Like here, I've searched for wedding invitation cards to check what are the best sellers and what kind of designs are trending right now. Always observe your competitors to get ahead of them. I wouldn't go too deep with this in this video, but if you want to know more about Zazzle research, then you can watch my video on this topic. It's a complete guide for Zazzle research. The link is in the description. Now, after finding a good product and niche, you have to create a great product, and a mediocre product will not be able to stand out. As you can see, all the products are high quality and have beautiful elements and fonts. And this will take us to the next mistake, that is not using high quality assets and elements. One major factor that can make or break your Zazzle designs is the quality of the assets you use. Low-resolution images, poorly designed graphics, or generic clip art can make your products look unprofessional and unappealing. As you can see in these examples, designs that use high-quality assets, sharp graphics, well-crafted illustrations, and visually appealing elements stand out and look more premium. Assets, or using high. You can either create them, which is pretty hard without proper skills, but if you want to save your time and get high-quality assets for your designs at the same time, Creative Fabrica is the best place for you. Creative Fabrica can be a game changer. It offers a vast library of premium fonts, graphics, illustrations, and design elements that can help take your Zazzle products to the next level. Instead of using low-resolution or overused clay art, you can access unique, high-quality assets that make your designs look more professional and polished. Whether you need trendy fonts, watercolor illustrations, seamless patterns, or CVG elements. And you can find many assets which are completely free to use, and with their super affordable plans, you can get unlimited downloads. So I highly recommend trying Creative Fabrica. I'll give the link in the description. Now let's check out the mistake number 5, that is, lack of consistency in quality and uploading. A lack of consistency in both design quality and uploading can hurt your Zazzle shop's growth. If your store has a mix of polished and low-quality designs, it can appear unprofessional and discourage buyers. Likewise, uploading on a regular basis makes it harder to gain traction. Successful sellers consistently add high-quality products and refine their collections to stay active in search results. Treat your shop like a business, stay consistent, keep improving, and you'll see better results. Like here you can see how the designs are consistent with the quality and theme. Also, all of the designs have simplistic elements. If the seller had uploaded a funky or designs of any other theme, then it would have disturbed the overall appearance of the store. You can open different storefronts for different types of designs rather than uploading all your designs in one store. Now let's check out the next mistake Zazzle sellers make. That is not organizing your store with clear categories. A disorganized Zazzle shop can be frustrating for potential buyers. If your products are scattered without clear categories, customers may struggle to find what they're looking for and leave without making a purchase. To improve the shopping experience, create well-structured categories based on themes, occasions, or product types such as wedding, home decor, or personalized gifts. This helps visitors quickly navigate your store and discover relevant products. A well-organized shop not only looks more professional, but also increases the chances of converting visitors into customers. Taking the time to properly categorize your products can make a big difference in your shop's success. So this sums up this video. Did you make any of these mistakes? Please let me know in the comments section. Also let me know if you have any suggestions. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.